Hey everyone, I wanted to do a quick video talking about one method that I use a lot when making these Lego Mini Mechs, and that is I use the handlebar part for the hips. All of these Mini Mechs use the handlebar for their hips, and one nice thing about that is all of them are interchangeable as far as their legs. I could take the legs off of any one of them and try them on a different one, which I've done from time to time. If the legs don't look very good on one Mini Mech, then I can switch them to another one. These other ones over here, this group, they use the studs or a pin for their hips, so a little bit different category. And I've noticed using the studs that the legs quite frequently come off. I'm always having that issue. Like, I'll stand him up and then before you know it, he's falling down because the legs don't stay on very well. It's just, I don't know, for some reason the studs just don't have as much gripping power as the clips. So anyway, that's one reason why I like the handlebars, but also just to kind of give a close-up here. So there's the handlebar right there, and I like his, you can kind of do kind of a little pivot right there, and it can bend right here at the kind of at the waist, and then it can also bend right there at the upper thigh. So you can kind of see it right there. Let's take that off. So it's just, I don't know, if you ever want to build these, I've found that seems to be the best option. And to have them do the wider stance, you have the Legos, or the handlebar go back like that, and then you can do that wider stance. If it's up too far, then the legs get a little too close together. So you do them back, and then it seems like that works the best. So, and like I said about interchanging the legs, so if I wanted to take his legs off and say try the legs from this guy. This is another one I just recently made. Take those off, and you just clip them on. So let's see how that looks. So that looks kind of cool too. You kind of have to play with it a little bit, but yeah, so that works. Anyway, hope you like the videos. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.